It's my pleasure now to introduce our second session chair this morning. It's Matt Jones. Matt is the Rail Operations Manager for John Hollands, and just want to thank John Hollands, who's been an inaugural Platinum member of the PWI since he started the Enhanced Platinum membership, I think probably 15 years ago, so thanks Matt. So Matt has been in the rail industry for more than 35 years. He joined John Holland 8 years ago, and he's currently acting in the role, or currently is in the role of General Manager Rail Services. He leads a national team delivering multi-rail disciplinary projects for network owners across the country. Prior to this, Matt was the CEO of the Country Rail Network for 4 years, where he led a rapid culture change to achieve high levels of customer satisfaction and network performance of the Country Rail Network. Prior to joining John Holland, Matt also worked for the New South Wales Government rail operators in various forms, starting as a cadet civil engineer in the late 80s, holding various roles in infrastructure, maintenance, asset management and project delivery. Matt is also a judge on our prestigious PWI Young Achievers Awards, and he's also a member of the ARA Contractors Executive Council. Would you please join with me in welcoming Matt to chair our second session? I think that's all my shit.
Good afternoon, everybody. Can you hear me okay? All right, awesome. Look, first of all, would like to acknowledge the PWI. As Mark said, John Holland has had a long association with the PWI in New South Wales, and we're very proud to be a Platinum sponsor. It's actually great also to see the PWI, which has been long established in New South Wales, starting to gain some traction as well in some of the other states across the country. One other thing probably it's worth noting for those of us that get to stand up and talk here, we do get a bit of a sneaky peek behind the scenes as to what goes into making these conventions possible. It's a huge amount of effort, so I would just like to acknowledge and thank all the people involved from the PWI that bring these sorts of events together, because it takes a lot of individual time and effort, so thanks very much. All right. Okay, so this is where I get to do a bit of a blurb and a bit of a promotion for our business. So John Holland. So John Holland, we are up for the challenge of transforming lives. We've been doing it in Australia for over 75 years, and today we're one of the nation's leading integrated infrastructure and building contractors, and we have a proud heritage in rail. From Parliament House through to the Alice to Darwin rail link, from the Sydney Metro through to Melbourne's soon-to-be-open Metro Tunnel, we've had a hand in the Australia that we all know today. As a leading end-to-end provider, John Holland is known for managing all aspects of complex rail and transport solutions with certainty. From design and construction through to transport operations, we're transforming how people travel. We're focused on the future of transport, innovating today for the best outcomes tomorrow. Right from the very start of our projects, we're looking towards the future with innovative ways to efficiently deliver leading transport solutions for our customers and communities. Our design and construction capabilities are focused on using the best technology solutions and innovation to deliver value for money projects that minimise the impact to the community, promote economic growth and connect with those communities. We're honoured to be supporting the Inland Rail project with the works we're delivering between Beveridge and Albury and also Ilbo to Stocking Bingle. Our in-house skills, knowledge and resources and our specialist equipment provide the capability to deliver key rail services and maintenance disciplines. This includes track work, overhead wiring, power and electrical systems, signalling and communications, signalling design, testing and commissioning, our extensive range of plant equipment and rail safety. Our rail services team support network owners across the country, including ARTC here in the Hunter Valley, to upgrade and maintain their critical rail infrastructure. Our people offer Australia's leading rail systems engineering, delivery and integration capability. And our deep in-house expertise underwrites the success of flagship projects such as the Sydney Metro North West, which is the first driverless metro in Australia, and the soon-to-be-open Melbourne Metro Tunnel project. We also take pride in operating and maintaining some of Australia's largest public transport services, providing reliable, safe and customer-focused experiences. Our operations cover trains, trams and bus networks, and we connect hundreds of thousands of people to their destinations every day. We started operating trains in Melbourne in 2009, and for the last 15 years we've been responsible for the entire network along with our partners. This is by far our largest network and has been a great success for John Holland. We built the Canberra Light Rail network and have been operating it since 2019, and we're now delivering stage 2. Our Adelaide Metro Operations team maintains the tram fleet and the infrastructure of the Adelaide tram network. On the Sydney Metro, we deliver the line-wide rail system, stations and tunnels, and we started operating in 2019. We currently operate Sydney Buses Region 9 throughout Sydney's eastern suburbs. And in December last year, we took over the contract to operate and maintain the world's largest tram network in Melbourne as part of our Yarra Journeymakers franchise. So John Holland's at the forefront of rail and transport innovation, focusing on the future and delivering projects that connect communities, promote economic growth and provide better travel experiences. And we're up for the challenge.